Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Catfish back with another video. And on today's video, man, I got my work cut out for me today on today's video. I got a 2016 Stingray that's been very, very neglected. So, yeah. Actually, y'all see I'm in the garage right now. Yeah, it's been neglected, people. I ain't gonna lie. It's been really, really, really neglected. But like I said, I'm in the garage. Y'all see old girl. We're gonna walk out here and let you guys see. There you go, right there. That's the number for G&G Master Detailers. It's in the bio. And this is what we're gonna be putting on it today. We're gonna do a quick machine polish, just like we did on Alex's car. The same thing. Yeah, here it is, guys. And if you look at it real close, you can see I'm blurred. But I did this panel right here. See the difference? See the difference from this panel to this panel? Yeah, that panel to this panel. The rest of the car, I gotta clean the engine. But I'm gonna do this side over here, and then I'm gonna let y'all watch. You know, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, because I did this panel already, and that panel back there, and that panel up there. So I'm gonna start here and there, and then I'm gonna cut you guys back on. All right, I'll get back with you guys in a second. All right, guys, this is what we're gonna do. I'll take you through the steps on how we do this. Just like I did with Chi-Town Alex's black hatchback. Same thing, man. Same thing. This thing is weather faded. Pretty bad. It's my secret sauce right here. Put it on, and then you just buff it right on. Yeah. It's pretty easy. It's not really that hard to do. It's a 2016 Stingray. Neglected, guys, I'm gonna tell you. It's not non-savable, but it's pretty bad shape. So like I said, put it on. You got a green pad, orbital buffer. I mean a DA buffer on 5,000 RPMs. Take it off. You'll be able to see the difference in 1 second. This stuff is amazing. There's not any abrasives or cutting in it, but watch this. See this? Look at that. Like brand new. I gotta do a little bit right under the mirror because water settles under the mirror, and when you wash the car, it runs down. So I'm gonna do another little pass right here to alleviate that problem. But yeah, guys, this thing gonna clean up real good though. Real nice. I just got to do the bottom of the door. But this is basically the same thing I did to Chicago Alex. Chi-Town Alex's notchback. Just a quick machine polish. And guys, you can tell the difference from that to this, just from where, you know, just from the camera. It's not a long process. It takes about an hour and a half or so, because I did the back panels already. Yeah, you can tell the difference. You can tell the difference from this door to that panel. See the difference? See me over there? Now look at me over here. Y'all see the difference? Y'all see it? Yeah, it's a lot of difference. You can just look at it right now. See how blurred I am? And then when I come over here, look. Now look. Now you can see me. See me now? Yeah. And over here, it's blurred. So yeah, guys, that's what we doing today. And I'll bring you back as soon as I get done with the whole car. I'll get back with you guys in a second. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you the exhaust tips real quick. Look at them things. Them things nasty. Yeah, I gotta clean those too. Yep, I just want to let you see them. Then when I clean them, I'll be back later. All right, get back with you guys in a second. Hey guys, you saw them tips before. Now you see the tips after. Yeah, I just got done cleaning them. They came out pretty amazing. Took a little while, but they got clean. All right, I'll get back with you guys in a second. Hey guys, we back. This is the wheel before. Y'all see it? Y'all see it's faded. And this is the wheel after. Y'all see that? It look good. Yeah, Sersky. Yeah, that's the way the wheel's supposed to look. All right, I'll get back with you guys in a minute. Hey guys, we back. And Corvette is done. Y'all see the tires. Y'all see the inside. Yeah. All them pins and stuff was in there. Y'all see it. Pimpin did his thing on the interior. Y'all know. Y'all see them tips again. Yep. Them tips clean. Yep. Rims, calipers, everything. This thing is immaculate now. Yes, sir. He getting ready to sell it because the The client has a C8 coming, 2023, just a Stingray. But yeah, guys, got a little thing right there, but I don't think he worried about that. Y'all see it? 2016. Oh yeah, by the way, let me show y'all. We did a... Yeah, guys, we just got done. Took all day. Came out nice though. Interior came out beautiful. Yeah, I see that. Yeah. Smell good in here too. Got the glass roof. Oh snap! It's a little hair right there. Y'all see it? I get it. I get it. Yep. Came out real nice. 2016 Stingray. Y'all see the clouds and the paint. Alright guys. That's gonna do it for this edition of Catfish Corner. Detailing a 2016 Stingray. And just like that, this video is over. I'll get back with you guys on the next one. Peace.